How to view places in Horrortale 3. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view different places. First of all, open the application. So as you can see, I'm already inside the game. Now, here on the left top, you'll be able to see this icon. Simply tap on this icon and here there are different options available. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this map-like icon. Tap on this map-like icon and this is the section where you'll be able to see these places. So here you'll be able to get different ideas and tasks about the places. So this is a type of hint that you can get in the game. So try checking it time and again after completing any tasks or collecting any things. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.